Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very, very important closure civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself in front of all nations and in front of entire human kingdom because it is with fatal negligence USA government created robocall poverty mandate and created disability. So medical compensation must be paid. I should get the rightful job. I should get all the national benefits free from USA, and right in front of all the nations only I'm going to get it. Okay, so I will quickly run through this, read this civil justice sign up to be on the same page. Victims of abuse, patients, medical compensations claims billing process as of February 2021. Prosecution Babylon USA at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021, a nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice in nation, and it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for nation to be sealed and shut down for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Roman province, Jesuits, Vatican, Pope Francis created finance law, hell, poverty mandate. So civil justice for Radford found guilty USA is Part A USA prostitution criminal Britain genome Punnett square theory must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And Part B USA prostitution civil Britain genome Punnett square theory must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion and another 1,000,000 trillion dollars to direct deposit to my bank account. For Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created the N-word and dogs addressing mankind and destroying human brain nerve cells and worldwide with fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate when there is a genome Punnett square theory. And that is a proof that genome Punnett square theory is a prostitution organization created to destroy humanity, and that's why Queen Elizabeth created the N-word. So that's a proof in a proof. And prostitution, USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence, at fault found guilty. USA nation enforced crime 1, USA nation poverty mandated to I the prayer process, and crime 2, USA nation finance disability 2 took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandated to I the prayer process, and crime 3 is USA nation finance debt, that is $10,210.38 mandated to I the prayer process. And the 3 counts of crime of United States of America comes under the classification of the domestic violence type, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types, and at fault found guilty. Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to I the prayer process, for I the prayer process should have been elected as a Supreme Court judge of USA on October 2018, and just to steal the rightful job belonged to I the prayer process alone, Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I the prayer process on October 2018, and I the prayer process wants civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So Roman province Vatican Jesuits leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now. For fans, Pope Francis created criminal law is hell law, and for fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law in all states, for all 50 states of USA is 100 counts of fatal negligence, for total counts of 100 total count of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law agency and civil law agency of USA. So Jesuits Roman province of USA must pay tax-free $100 billion and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and I the prayer process to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page, my dear fellow mankind. And yes, and yes, and yes, civil justice must be signed to me without any delay. USA nation is handcuffed mode and mandated to be fall down in knees before the entire human kingdom. Okay, it is population time, it is our time, it is my time, right? No more USA and all the nation governments can never ever fool population anymore. It's done deal, right? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.